Hey, look! A rat! It's an airstorm problem. Let me see here. 6 foot thick fangs, 716 the pitches. Pardon me, friend. No wonder is the willow that being sunny, busy. Guess I got some now. And the size is such swamp. Well, just on or just second at a time. Only a second is sunny. We're going to be second. Something in the water. There's a little one that spin away. Yeah, but gonna just swarm of a sunny and get a bowling. Did the contest the time? Is it doggone Holland? Well, Holland. Exactly. Now, what's you need is, and by is Sunny's premiere, we'll need a wall puller. I send along puller. I in G Sunny. It's not with the to say law puller. And but like any coincidence for you, Mano and the lovely little lady, a new, improved, but the handy and the bellow giant law puller, a busy rat's blend. Just say, on the gig went and all waffle, into out. This is a cost on the window dice, and it don't cost no how in time 66%. 66%, eh? Did that. But how's your work? While you're scoring it all, and you sweating about this, and pull off. Say, a dynamite swept me out the size. What's the plan? No plan for itself. Okay, it's about the news. When are you gonna come Sonny out, Sonny? Granny grown up and granny grown up. Dream of it, and you can straighten with the teeth. What's this? We are friend. Now bite hard. You see? It's off. Say, that is simple. Friend, why also, that's so now, Sonny. Now I'm gonna certain it. Son of spit any buoy, son of a ties. Oh, no, those are yours, friend. And to keep it, okay. Now, can?
It's plain simple.
Well, thanks a lot. They others, say, it works well.